Tapos na yung party?
What were you thinking? What the hell were you doing at the venue? Ang kapal ng mga mukha niyo!
Oh my God! Don't make this a big deal, Georgia. Ikaw lang nakapansin.
2 beses nang nilalagay ni Ina si Frank sa alanganin. Frank is so upset. Rob is so mad at me. I've been doing my best to teach Ina. And you keep doing everything just to ruin it.
Huh, really? And what did you want to teach her? Kung paano maging lumang kabet? Up until this age, akala mo yan ang perfect na mistress?
Yes, because it works. Because I'm the one whose partner is still with me.
Wow! Ang galing mo, Georgia. Ang galing-galing mo. Kung makapagsalita ka, akala mo asawa ka. Pareho lang naman tayong kabet.
But I know my place. Alam ko that I'll never be number 1. Chloe, gayahin mo na lang ako.
Never! Never kitang gagayahin, Georgia. Who would want to be as cold, as predictable, and as boring as you?
But at least, I'm not impulsive, destructive, and miserable. Huwag mo kaming idamay ni Ina. Dahil hindi namin kasalanan kung pinagsawaan ka na.
Fuck you!
And that's really the way you will get Gabriel back.